In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to change recovery email address in Gmail in iPhone. Go ahead and open the Gmail app on your iPhone, tap on your profile photo and make sure to select the exact Gmail account. Then from here, tap on manage your Google account. In here, tap on security and sign in. In here, you have to scroll down and tap on recovery email. And now you have to verify your Gmail or Google account password here. And now here we can see my current recovery email address. So I'm just tapping on this pencil icon to edit. And now go ahead and just easily change or update your recovery email address in here. Then tap on save. And now you have to verify your email address. So just collect the verification code from your recovery email. Once you successfully verified, your new email address will be added as your Gmail recovery email address. Thanks for watching.